Adaptive roughing, ramp height control inside pre-drill hole. Previously, when programming toolpaths, especially for machining operations that start inside pre-drilled holes, the standard approach often sets the ramp height relative to the top of the surrounding stock. But this can cause a hidden problem. The tool ends up performing unnecessary air cuts above the actual workpiece. As a result, it decelerates too early, even though it could be rapidly approaching directly through the pre-drilled hole. This inefficiency increases both your machining time and production costs. Introducing our new drill tip angle parameter. With this feature, the algorithm automatically adjusts the ramp height, referencing the height of your drill hole's conical section and the specified drill point position. This intelligent adjustment eliminates those unnecessary air cuts, so your ramp begins exactly where it should be, the height of the drill's conical tip. With the drill tip angle parameter, toolpath adjustments become effortless, your machining time is optimized, and your shop's efficiency moves up a gear.